to share with you my Florentine stuffed chicken breast recipe. So without further ado, let's get to it. The first thing that I did was I lined this baking sheet, it's like a cookie sheet, with foil, and then I sprayed it with some cooking spray. To do is I'm going to saute some bell peppers and mushrooms together in a frying pan, and just until they're softened, probably about 3 or 4 minutes. And also preheated my oven to 400. You just want to cook them until the vegetables are a little tender and soft, where they're not hard and crunchy anymore. See, isn't that beautiful? Now it's time to add your roasted garlic. Which I actually put a lot of garlic in there because we like garlic. And then you're going to add your spinach. So now I've added this yummy fresh spinach, and I'm just going to keep cooking it down until it's wilted. You can see I've added it to my pan with the mushrooms and the bell pepper, and this may look like a lot of spinach, but pretty soon this will all cook down and it won't look like very much at all. You can see we've cooked down the spinach for our wonderful, yummy Florentine stuffed chicken recipe. Doesn't this look good, you guys? I mean, it is going to be so delicious. You have the mushrooms and the garlic and the peppers all sauteed in there with the spinach. And this will go into the inside of our stuffing on our chicken. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make our cheese spread, which I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of Philadelphia cream cheese. This is what it looks like, the Philadelphia cream cheese, and some shredded cheddar cheese, and about a teaspoon of, well, actually about a tablespoon of flour. And then you just mix those up. Make sure your cream cheese is softened. It will make it so much easier to mix. Next, I added a bit of basil and some sage and some white pepper, just to give the mixture a really good, nice herby flavor. And this is what it looks like after I mixed all the herbs into the cheese spread. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our chicken, and we are going to, you take 2 pieces of chicken at a time and put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. You're going to take your rolling pin or whatever you're using and just roll it out. Roll out your chicken until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. Be careful not to tear your chicken. The next thing that you want to do is you're going to mix your cheese mixture and your spinach. You're going to add your spinach in a medium bowl to this cheese mixture. So you have in here, you have your spinach, your garlic, your bell pepper, your herbs, your cream cheese, and all of that. And this is going to be your inside stuffing of your chicken Florentine. So I put a couple eggs in here with about a teaspoon of water, and I mixed it up. Okay, there, I think you can see a little bit better. So I put the mixture on, and I'm spreading it all over the chicken. And I do want to tell you, when you're cooking with raw eggs or raw chicken, you want to be very careful if it touches anything on your countertop or sink, you want to make sure you wash it with some hot soapy water or some kind of disinfectant, and wash your hands really good on anything that the raw chicken or raw egg touches. I'm just going to brush the egg mixture on. Basically what you're doing here is you're just getting it even more moist so that the panko or breadcrumbs or whatever you're going to be using will stick to it better. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the chicken with the panko crumbs. I did end up just picking up the chicken and coating it with this. I'm just going to wash my hands before I touch my camera again, but I felt like I would be missing showing you guys a step if I didn't show this to you. So I just pick up the whole thing, and then you want to put your chicken on your pan with the seam side down. This is what our chicken looks like. We have it dipped in the egg and in the panko, and it's all stuffed with the spinach mixture and cheese mixture, and it is got toothpicks in it and placed seamed side down, and now it's ready to go into the oven. So now I'm just going to pop this into the oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, we have our chicken in the oven now. I'm just going to sanitize all the areas where I was working with the chicken and everything, and I'm going to check it again in 35 minutes. Oh my God, this looks so delicious. I just want to show you the inside of this chicken with the spinach and the mushrooms and the garlic. And when the coating on top is so nice and crispy and golden. Okay guys, now for my favorite part. Sphinx, my cat keeps bumping my... Stop it, Sphinx. My favorite part of the video where I get to taste it. This is seriously delicious. You need to try this recipe. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.